Hello students, hope you are doing well. So in last class, in the basic computer applications, we have covered regarding what is computer, how does computer works, and the hardware parts of computer. In hardware parts, we have covered what are the input devices with their examples, output devices with their examples, and storage devices with their examples. So hope those all things are clear with you, and if there will be any questions we will take the live session also. So now today we will cover the second part of computer system, which is software. So as I already told that hardware parts are those parts of computer system which are physically exist in computer system, means you can physically see those parts we have discussed computer keyboards, mouse, monitors, printers, scanners. These are the device which physically appears in computer system, and those devices are known as hardware parts of computer system. Now what we will talk about, the device or the parts which physically doesn't exist in any computer system, but you can say without this system you can't run your computer system. Means if the software is not available in your computer system in any devices, even we are talking about the mobile phones. So if the software is not available in mobile phones, laptop, desktop or tabs, then even you can't start those devices. So you can say software are also very important part of computer system. So I am sharing you the PPT also with you so that we will discuss one by one. And before proceeding, I would like to tell you that software are basically the set of instructions which tells hardware, which tells computer system how to perform, how to complete any task, right? So you can see here, programs are set of instructions to the computer. Means if you talk about the computer system, sorry, software system. So software is basically the set of programs, and programs are the set of instructions. So if you want to complete any task, let's say if you want to simple calculate two numbers, or if you want to create your CV, your resume in word processing software. So what you need to do is that if you are typing your name, your basic qualifications, your experience, your hobbies and all, so these all things are processed, and the as a output you see your resume on your screen, right? So how does this work? These all are works using the set of instructions, and those set of instructions are known as the programs. So programs are basically written using some languages which is known as programming languages. Programming languages consist like machine languages, assembly languages, procedural languages, basic, Fortran, COBOL, object oriented languages, for example Visual Basic, C++, C Sharp, Java, and many more. Like you have heard about the Python, PHP. These all are also object oriented programming language. So these are the language where a computer programmers, a software engineer write the instructions. It's, you can think about at the same situation like if you want to perform any task, so there should be a set of instructions to complete those tasks. If you are performing task, like if you have to make the bed of a room, so there must be a SOP, standard operation procedure, right? So in the same way, to complete any task using the computer system, we have the set of instructions. Those instructions are written using the programming language. So these are the some basic examples of programming languages where the instructions are written. So first, types of software is known as system software. You think about any devices which you operate, whether it's your laptop, it's your desktop, or it may be your mobile phone. So have you ever seen when you start your device, like when you switch on your phone? So you must have seen, if you are using Android phone, so you must have seen first Android appears. If you are using Apple phones, iPhones, so you must have seen when, as soon as you start your phone, so you will see like some iOS operating system. If you are using a Windows based laptop or desktop, so as soon as you will start your machine, means your laptop, your desktop, first screen you will find is that you will find written like Windows. So these are the software which is known as operating system software. These are the software which is compulsory to operate your system, compulsory to start your system. If there will not be any operating system in your machine or device, so even you can't switch on your computer system or mobile phone. So system software are run fundamental operations like loading and running of different programs, saving and retrieving data from your hard disk, communicating with the printers, modems, or any devices which is connected to your computer system. So some examples you can see here: DOS, which is disk operating system, and Windows. There are different versions of Windows available in the market. Latest is Windows 11, which has been launched early in 2025. Unix is again a type of operating system. Linux again a type of operating system. Unix and Linux are open source based operating system. And Mac operating system, which operate the Apple's laptop. So and Android, again Android, which is most common operating system for any mobile phones. So Android is again a operating system, iOS is a operating system. So these are the system software which help to start your computer system, which helps to make functional your computer system or laptop or mobile phone. Or even if suppose your laptop is connected with any camera devices or any mic, or if you are connecting your laptop with a printer or a scanner, so to run those printer and scanner also required system software, which are known as drivers for the printers or scanners or camera or mic, right? So these categories of software is known as system software. Next types of software is application software. Most common software which everybody uses in their mobile phones, also in laptops also. So for examples you can see here like word processing softwares, spreadsheet which is Excel, database software which is MS SQL, MongoDB, educational software. There may be many types of educational software which you are using for specific purpose, like if you are graduating from any university or college, you can use their own software. There are also some graphics software, like you can say Corel Draw, Photoshop, desktop publishing software, also Corel Draw and Photoshop's page makers belong to these kinds of software. So application, if you talk about the exact definition of the application software, so application software are those types of software which has been developed and designed to complete the specific task. So for example, if you talk about the word processing software, everybody have used like MS Word in their laptop or in their desktop. So MS Word has been developed and designed to perform a specific task which is related to documents. So if you want to create any documents, let's say you have to create your resume, CV, let's say you have to write down an applications, let's say you have to create any let's say project report you have to create. So these all Documents are created using the word processing software, right? Spreadsheet, again, spreadsheets have their own specific work. So if you have to complete, let's say you are working in a kitchen, you have to calculate the food cost of any dish, any items. So you need to use spreadsheets. You can use there are different types of formulas, functions available in the spreadsheet, which you can use to calculate the cost of your dishes. There are also different types of graphs available, pie charts available, different functionality which helps to store your data in basically tabular form, right? So in the same way, if you have to suppose if you have to create a pamphlet, so you are going to use desktop publishing software. Like if you have to create a logo, so you can use Photoshop or Corel Draw, right? If you have to design a pamphlet for your or any brochure for your organization, so you need to use Corel Draw. So these are the software which belongs to application software. The same you must have heard the word apps. Generally, in what are the applications available in our mobile phone, we call them apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Phone Pay, Paytm. These all are again fall into the application software. Basically, these softwares are the lighter version of application software which run on desktop or laptop. So let's say if you are running word processing software on laptop or desktop, so maybe it will contains more functionality. But the same word processing software, if you are using on your mobile phone, it may contain lesser functionality. So apps are nothing. Apps are again the application software which has been designed and developed to run on mobile phone. So we know that our mobile phones storage is lesser than our laptop or desktop. That's why it has been designed and developed in the way so it take less amount of space in your mobile phone. So apps, daily basis you are using different types of app, and those apps have also the same like special work which you are going to perform. Let's say if you have to communicate with your friends, your colleagues, your seniors or your juniors, anybody, so you are going to use WhatsApp, है ना? Like using WhatsApp you can chat with the person, you can create a voice call, you can go for the video call, you can update your status for the social purpose also, right? Even WhatsApp have given you the functionality to make the payment also, right? Same if your phone have the apps like Google Pay. So Google Pay is especially designed for payment purpose, UPI payment purpose. Like so you can say these are the financial software. So application software are always designed to complete specific tasks, perform a specific task, right? Next, we have some software like known as commercial software. So these software are known as to keep the backup and copies of the software only. So for this software you need to take license also from the software companies. There are some freeware software also available which you can use. So freeware software are basically the open source software, right? So for those software you not need to take any license, neither you have to take any pay any amount. But if you are using the license based software, let's say if you are going to use MS Word, any software which belongs to Microsoft, like it may be MS Window or MS Office package. So these are the paid software basically. You must have heard about the virus or antivirus word also. So again, virus or antivirus is again a type of software, because virus is also designed and developed in the same way. It also consists different types of program. Viruses software also consists the different set of instructions. Basically engineers have written some logic behind those software, virus software, so that whenever you install those software in your whether it's your laptop, desktop or mobile phone, so as soon as those virus software is installed in your computer system or laptop, desktop or mobile phone, so they start corrupting your datas. It may, there may be purpose, different purpose of virus. So some viruses have written to corrupt your data. Some viruses contains the set of instructions which will basically steal your confidential information, maybe password of your internet banking, any kind of confidential data. So virus software are also again a type of software, right? So and there are different types of virus software which you can attack to your computer system. Earlier it was using the external devices like pen drive. If you are using someone's pen drive in your laptop, desktop, so a virus maybe communicate through those pen drive also. These days it's again a very easy task to send any virus to your computer system, laptop, desktop, because we all are connected with the internet. So as soon as you click on any button, any link on the internet, it may contains virus. You must have seen different types of like offers. Click here to avail iPhone in just rupees one, right? So nobody is going to give you this iPhone free of cost or iPhone in just 1 rupees. That link must contains some software, some virus software. As soon as you will click those link, internally you are not going to see what is going to be happen in background. Internally some virus software will be installed in your mobile phone or laptop or desktop, whichever device you are using. And whatever the purpose of those virus software, so what they will do is that they will start corrupting your data, they will start stealing your confidential informations, they will start accessing your personal photographs and all. So we will take a further class on this topic also, so how we can save from these attacks, because it will be very long. So you can for now you can understand that virus are also a kind of software which has been written to make harm to your devices, to your computer system, to your laptop, right? So to protect from virus, what we are going to use, we can use antivirus software. Obviously, it you can relate same like as we are using some medicines in our body to remove the infections. In the same way, to remove the infections of virus from your device, you need to use antivirus software. So these are the which we have completed now. So basically, now we hope that you are aware about the basics of computer system. So in basic of computer system, you should have the knowledge that how does computer works, and you must have knowledge that what is the hardware and what are the types of hardware with their examples, what is software, what is program, and what are the types of software. So thank you so much. See you in next class.